Overview of reports. In Zoho Creator, you collect information with forms and view information with reports. Every time someone fills out your form, the information they submit gets stored as one record in your database. Reports allow you to view and format your records for easy analysis. Let's look at the report generated for the visitor sign-in form that we built in past videos. All of the fields from the sign-in form are columns in the report. Creator is a scalable system. Whether you have 10 database records or 1,000,000 database records, reports can display them all. When you click on a column, Creator will sort all of the records accordingly. For example, clicking on the Time Arrived column will sort all of the records by the date and time that our visitors arrived. When you have lots of data, the search function can be used for finding specific information. You can type in someone's name, and your report will show you all the times they have visited. If you click on the magnifying glass icon in the search bar, you can do an advanced search that looks for records matching more complex criteria. For example, if you wanted to find all of the people who work at Zilker that visited your office last month, you could enter these criteria in the search boxes for each field. In Company, we would select Is from the drop-down, and then type Zilker in the box. Then in the Time Arrived drop-down, we would select Last Month. After you enter your criteria, click on the blue Search button. From the Report view, you can add new records or edit the existing ones to fix mistakes. To edit a record, mouse over it and a little pencil icon will appear. Click on it, and you'll see a form with all of the information from that record entered into it. This is the same sign-in form your visitors see when they are using your app, which we built in a past video. Make the changes you need, and then click Update to save them. You can delete records from your database that are no longer needed. Just check the box on a particular record, and then click on the trash can icon. A warning message pops up to make sure you don't accidentally delete records you mean to keep. You can also edit, delete, or duplicate records by right-clicking them and selecting an option from the menu that appears. So far, we have been looking at our report in the List view, but there are other ways to display it too. You can access these other views by clicking on the hamburger icon in the upper right. Your report's data can be displayed in a summary view, which is good for viewing individual records, and in the spreadsheet view, which formats your data into cells, like a spreadsheet. If you change how your report is sorted, you can save your settings to be the default the next time you look at it. After you've changed how a report's data is sorted, mouse over the title of your report and click Save Changes. In the pop-up, you can save your changes to the current view or to a new view. Saving to the current view will change your default report, but saving to a new view is helpful if you need to see the same information sorted a few different ways. If you save your changes as a new view, then a link to it will appear when you mouse over the navigation bar at the top of your app. Since Creator is a cloud app, your data is backed up and protected in multiple locations. Of course, sometimes you may want to export your data into a file so you can work offline. Click the hamburger button in the upper right corner of your report. Then click Export and choose which format you'd like to export your data to. Creator can export your data into popular formats like CSV, XLS, XML, and other files so you can import it into other systems. In our next video, we'll go more in depth with reports and show you how to build one from scratch.